heart chakra, center of chest, right? So we're going to heal the astral body heart chakra, okay? And so make a giant copy out in front of you of your astral body heart chakra. And so this isn't as giant as you would think. I mean, it is wider than your real heart chakra probably. Yeah, it's maybe twice as wide as your real heart chakra. Maybe maybe just a touch longer than your real heart chakra, but that's fine, you know, because you want a big copy. But your actual heart chakra should not be white. It should be green. I just don't have green paper. I need to buy some. So go ahead and make a big copy of your heart chakra out in front of you, okay? The astral body one though. And that's just with your intention. You're like, okay, the astral body 4th chakra. Make a big copy out in front of you. Energy flows in the front, flows out the back, right? So you just make a big copy out in front of you of your astral body heart chakra. And with your intention, set it to your favorite shade of green. Because this is for enthusiasm and self-worth, sticking up for yourself, motivating yourself, being your own like inner cheerleader, like I can do it, I can do it. So give yourself a good green color for that. Okay. And then you also want to notice what's not green, you know, because you don't want to have this idealized imagination. You want to imagine how it really looks, but you did just set it to green, but it could have other energy around it. Okay. So that's what we're going to be healing and repairing, is the other stuff, right? The non-perfect stuff. So use gold light coming out of your hand chakra and your fingertip chakras, and just melt the gold, melt anything around it, because you can have energy blocks that are kind of like this, you know, around it. And they can be generally black, but they could also be white just wrapped around. Sometimes they're from energy cords. Like if cords go in, that'll coat the outside with energy blocks like that. So you could do both. Do the outsides and melt away whatever's there. And really, I'm going to do both sides at once, but I just can't hold this at the same time. So I'm going to drop my little visual aid. So surround the copy with lots of gold light, and do the front and the back too, because you want to melt away those energy cords that are going into the round openings potentially. Right? And so melt away those energy cords. That should help some of the, I call it wrapping, chakra wrapping, just foreign energy that's wrapped around the outside of it. This should have less than if you melt away the cords, but then you still may have to do more gold light just around the sides of it like this. Okay. And you may have had devices currently or in the past kind of thrust at the chakra. You know, I'm going to use a chopstick to demonstrate. So it could be like puncturing it like that, you know, and maybe it's still sticking there. Maybe it's not, but the hole is still there. And maybe it went all the way through. So it looks more like this, you know, you can kind of see both sides of it. So just use gold light or gold fire and just melt away all the devices. Sometimes I like sort of loosening the whole device and taking it out and giving it to my angels. So in other words, I'd be like taking it out, you know, and giving it to my angels like that. But, you know, if you don't see them, you know, you just are thinking, and with your intention, it might be more thorough just to melt them all, you know, with the gold fire, just set them all on fire. Whatever devices don't belong there, burn them up with gold light. Okay, and just let those all melt. And then they may have left behind some holes, some puncture wounds, right, or scratches. So just extra gold light will cause the chakra to heal up better. Okay. And we are doing the heart chakra healing for better boundaries with family members and also with beings and entities. Better boundaries, like owning your space with family members and owning your space with beings or entities, whatever you call them. Okay. And but heart chakra is good for so many things. For motivation, like I said, enthusiasm, self-nurturing. So just melt away any of those holes that you may have along the sides, or the bottom or the top. Right? And again, set it to your favorite shade of green. I apologize that my model is white. That's not what you want. There we go. And if you have any beings or entities, just freeze them with your intention, because if it's in your space, you can stop its movement completely with your intention. So just freeze them and then just take them off and give them to your angels. Say, angels, can you please recycle these? If you have any more, just freeze them, take them off and give them to your angels. Say, angels, can you please recycle these? Okay. That's nice. And again, gold light around the openings, because the energy blocks generally are stacked up around the openings. Well, they can be wrapped around too, but we did that. So then just here in the front and the back, you know, just imagine the energy blocks and just melt them away. And some of them can be just, they were repressed in here. They were repressed energy blocks, and then now they just come out. So they're kind of half cleared. So you have to melt them away so that they're totally gone. So if you melt a bunch and then you notice more, you didn't just fail. You know, you did melt some, but others unrepressed. And now they're like half cleared sitting out here. So then you just melt them more. Okay. And just melt them more. And you may have a little damage other than holes. You may have little chips missing pieces around the edges. So just lots of gold light around both round edges. And your intention is you're using the gold light to repair, right? Repair the chakra, repair your astral body, fourth chakra. We're specifically doing your astral body, fourth chakra. You can redo the video and do your physical body, fourth chakra too. They're both really important. But we're doing your astral body, fourth chakra, because that's what I saw was necessary for people in the healing, the 78 people, to really be able to, on a spirit level, just stand up to their family members and, you know, stick up for their own needs. Not in a, like, starting a fight with somebody at all. You know, like on an energy level, a lot of things are done, most things are done with no words at all. You know, you just kind of own it. You know, so that's what we're working on. Okay, great. So now you've worked that fourth chakra, and it might be nice to just kind of rebalance everything. So you just imagine all the 7 chakras along your physical body spine, and then all the 7 chakras along your spirit body, your astral body or your spirit body spine. And you know, if you're present, they're actually in the exact same place. But I like to imagine copies out in front of me, all 7, and you don't have to worry about what they look like at this point. And just gold light in a relaxed way, just kind of up and down them, just like I like to do from top down, and just be like, it's okay. And you're just rebalancing everything. You're rebalancing the 7 chakras of your physical body and the 7 of your spirit body. You know, because when you do this kind of major work, there's a very positive ripple effect, but it does affect the other chakras. So you just kind of want to unblock all the chakras and help them to relax and help them to kind of work together. Help them to rebalance and align with each other. There you go. That's so nice. So good job, guys. What you did is you worked your astral body chakra, and you healed and repaired. You melted away and removed devices, and you freezed and removed beings or entities and gave them to your angels for recycling. And at the end, you just rebalanced all your 7 chakras of your physical body and of your astral body. So good job, guys. Woohoo! Bye.